What is going on, and welcome back to another episode of iCoach Nutrition Radio. Happy Wednesday to you all. Happy hump day. Excited to dive into yet another podcast episode here. This one is going to be all about hiring a coach, right? So for those of you that are in this group or listening to this podcast or watching this on YouTube, if you have been thinking about hiring a coach, whether that be working with a nutritionist, nutrition coach, registered dietitian, a personal trainer, a life coach, a business coach, whatever it may be, right? I'm going to kind of just talk generally here. Obviously, this applies specifically to me as a nutritionist and personal trainer. But if you're interested in hiring a coach, but you're on the fence because of the financial investment that you're going to be making in yourself, I just want to kind of chat through this, right? Because that can be scary. I've been there before. I'm currently working with a nutrition coach right now. I have worked with so many different coaches, nutrition coaches, personal trainers, business coaches. I've invested, I don't even know how much money. I worked with a business coach one time that I invested $50,000 into to work with for a year. So trust me, I get that investing in yourself is scary, right? But the thing that you have to think about is what are you investing in? Right? Ultimately, you're investing in becoming the best version of you, right? You're investing in helping you to reach your God-given potential in life, right? You're investing in the support, right? The accountability, right? The education, the tools, right? And at the end of the day, you just come to a place where you realize if you were going to do whatever it is that you want to do by now, right? Well, you would have already done it by now. If you were going to do it on your own, you would have already done it by now, right? And there's always this place, right, where you think about going from where you are today to becoming the person that you want to become. There is a transformation in that, right? You are either lacking a belief, a trait, or a skill set that is preventing you from you being able to accomplish your goal, right? And when you invest in yourself, right, it doesn't just mean that you can just pay for it and now all of a sudden you have it, right? You're investing in support, accountability, education, and tools to help you get to where you want to be, right? But you still have to put in the work. It does not matter how much money you spend. It doesn't matter how much money you invest, right? It doesn't matter if you're working with the world's leading experts, the best nutritionist, the best personal trainer, the best business coach. It doesn't matter. They're going to meet you where you are, and they're going to help you get to where you want to be. But they're not going to be able to do it for you. You're going to have to put in the work, and it's going to be hard. It's going to challenge you. You're going to have to grow as a person. And this is where the whole concept of personal development comes in, right? Nothing worth having in life comes easy, right? You know that, I know that, we all know that, right? But we live in this culture where for a lot of people, they think that they can just buy what they want. And there are a lot of things that you can buy. If you want a luxury sports car, if you have the money, you can just buy it. If you want the dream home, you have the money, you can just buy it, right? But the reality is you can't buy your dream body. You can't buy feeling your best. You can't buy looking your best. You can't buy performing your best. You can invest in a coach, and it 100% is going to help you if you are coachable, right? If you are ready to change, right? If you are willing to put in the work, to make the sacrifices that it's going to take. Because again, there are going to be sacrifices, right? If you want to drink alcohol every single day, don't expect to transform your body. If you want to eat fast food, junk food, crap all the time, you're not going to transform your body. If you don't ever want to work out, you're not going to transform your body. If you don't want to prioritize your sleep, you're not going to transform your body, right? And there are sacrifices that have to be made if you want to transform, right? Because again, doing the same thing over and over and over and over and expecting a different result, that is literally the definition of insanity. So if you are somebody that is on the fence, I get it. investing in yourself can be scary. Investing in yourself from a financial standpoint, from a time standpoint, from a sacrifice standpoint, there's so many things that go into this, right? But the reality of it is for a lot of us, we wait until the quote unquote perfect time. And the reality of it is there's never going to be a perfect time. In fact, the best time to start was yesterday, right? Or today, as the saying goes. But waiting and waiting and waiting, it's just going to put you farther and farther and farther away from where you want to be, right? It's October. We're about to be in November here. There are a lot of people that are waiting, right, for it to be the new year. They're waiting for January, for new year, new me, right? They're waiting for the quote unquote perfect time to start. But the reality of it is on average right now, here's the stats. Americans gain 15 pounds from October 31st to January 1st. So what ends up happening for all these people that do these fad diets and these cleanses and these weight loss, blah, 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 in January is they're literally just losing the 15 pounds that they gained during the holiday season. And then what happens? They just repeat the cycle year after year after year after year after year. Why do you think marketing goes up so much in January? Because this nutrition fitness supplement industry knows how people are, right? So I'm not trying to convince you either way. I don't want to coach people that aren't ready to change. You have to be ready. I could be the world's leading expert in nutrition, exercise, sleep, all of these different things. I'm not saying that I am, right? But I could be. I could give you the perfect plan, right? But none of that stuff matters if you're not ready to change. You have to have a strong why, right? Not just a goal, but you have to have an extremely strong why as to why you want to accomplish that goal. I say it all the time. The stronger your why, the more prone you're going to be able to overcome any how that comes your way. But if you don't have a strong why, you're going to make every excuse under the sun as to why you can't do it, as to why it's too hard, as to why it's unfair, right? And the reality of it is you can do it. But do you really want it that bad? Right? Anything worth having in life takes hard work. Truly. And I think all of us could reflect on a time where we've accomplished something in our life that was extremely hard. And what did you have to do to accomplish it? Well, you had to be motivated. You had to be disciplined. You had to rely on willpower. You had to make sacrifices, right? You had to overcome struggles and adversity, right? But when you finally got there and you finally accomplished that goal, it felt amazing. It transformed your life. You were so proud of yourself, right? So when you start thinking about these feelings of accomplishments, when you start thinking about your goal and why you want to accomplish your goal and what are those feelings going to be like once you accomplish your goal, now all of this stuff starts to become worth it, right? It motivates you, it excites you, right? And investing in yourself now starts to make more sense. But again, investing in yourself is scary. Change is scary. Transforming your habits, transforming your lifestyle, all these things are scary. And at the end of the day, there's not ever going to be anybody that cares about your goals as much as you do. So you have to get to a place where you care about your goals so incredibly much and that you've built up such a strong why that you're ready to invest in yourself. And the price doesn't matter. The price is not the barrier because you're ready to change. You're ready to invest in yourself from a financial standpoint, from a time standpoint, from a sacrifice standpoint. You're ready to go all in on you. You're ready to go in to become the best version of yourself, to reach your God-given potential in life. And when you do that, Not only do you do this for you and accomplish your goals, but you inspire others and you impact others. And now you start to affect your friends, your family, your coworkers. And it's an amazing compound effect that happens where now you have a whole new level of accountability, not just for yourself, not just with your coach, but now with everyone else that you've affected in a positive way and inspired in a positive way. So this is what this is all about, right? This is not just about a meal plan. This is not just about a workout program, right? This is about becoming the best version of you. This is about taking advantage, right, of this one life, this one opportunity that we all get to become the best version of ourselves, right? To inspire others to live their best life, to reach your God-given potential in life. And it's a journey. But again, I can't do it for you. No coach out there is going to be able to do it for you, right? We're going to be here to support you, to hold you accountable, to give you the education and the tools that you need to be successful. But we can't hold your hand, right? You have to put in the work. You have to be ready to change. So if you're ready, I invite you, contact me, apply for coaching. Let's hop on a call. Let's chat. No pressure. Let's see if it's a good fit. If it's a good fit, awesome. Would love to work with you. If it's not a good fit, that's okay too. It was awesome to connect, right? I'm in the business of building relationships, human connection. My purpose in life is to help as many people in this world as I possibly can to become the best versions of themselves, to reach their God-given potential in life. And I truly, truly, truly believe and am convicted because I've had it happen to me in my own life, and I've seen it happen in the lives of so many clients that I've worked with. Hundreds, if not thousands of clients that I've worked with over the last 10 years. When you prioritize living a healthy lifestyle and you prioritize going all in on becoming the best version of you and reaching your God-given potential in life, working toward reaching your God-given potential in life, it translates into every aspect of your life. The best comments that I get from clients are not the weight loss clients, the body transformation clients, the I'm getting stronger, all of these things. What I love to hear is, man, this is helping me to become a better dad, a better husband, a better wife, a better mom. This is helping me to excel in my career. I'm more confident than ever before. I've got X number of promotions. My business, I've made millions of dollars, right? Or hundreds of thousands of dollars or thousands of dollars, or wherever you're at in life, right? But when you prioritize living a healthy lifestyle, when you prioritize your health, it translates into every other aspect of your life. This is where the personal development aspect of this comes in. It's not just about improving your nutrition and sleep and exercise and hydration and stress management, but it's also about personal development. Personal development, as defined, is working towards becoming the best version of you, right? Not comparing yourself to everyone else, becoming the best version of you. Working towards becoming and reaching your God-given potential in life. So, again, you have to be ready to change. And if you're ready, I would invite you, message me, text me, call me, reach out in some regard, apply for coaching. Let's hop on a call. Let's chat. Let's learn more about each other. All right. Let me learn more about you, learn more about the program, right? The specifics, right? I would encourage you, if you're in this Facebook group here, talk to the clients that are in here, ask questions, ask them about their experience, right? And if you feel that it's a good fit, awesome. Let's do this. Because there's never going to be the perfect time. 2022 is going to be over here pretty soon. You got November, you got December, it's 2023. Don't be another statistic of those who gain 15 pounds through the holiday season, only to starve themselves, do the fad diets, do the cleanses, whatever, just to lose the weight they gained during the holiday season, and then right back into the cycle of, I don't have time, I'm too busy, I'm too stressed, and just pushing yourself back to a worse and worse and worse position. Your health is your greatest asset, whether you realize it or not. Unfortunately, most of us wait until it gets so bad that we have no choice but to prioritize it. So again, don't be that person. You are worth it. You only have one life. You have one body. Prioritize it and watch every other aspect of your life transform for the better. All right, you guys. Hope you all have an amazing night. Happy hump day. Appreciate you as always. And I hope this inspires at least one person to take action and go all in on themselves. And if it does, this podcast was 100% worth it. All right, you guys. Until next time. Bye.